Amazon Rekognition is a fully managed cloud service that comes pre-trained for image and video recognition tasks. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokchaDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 8 things about Amazon Rekognition in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, Rekognition Image is an image recognition service that detects objects, landmarks, activities, and more. It also allows you to search and compare faces. Number 2, the service enables you to extract text, recognize celebrities, and identify inappropriate content in images. Number 3, common use cases for Rekognition Image include face-based user verification, sentiment analysis, and searchable image library. Number 4, Amazon Rekognition Image supports JPEG and PNG image formats. You can submit images either as an S3 object or as a byte array. Number 5, Rekognition Video is a video recognition service that detects activities and understands the movement of people in the frame. This, for example, could be used in an application that sends a real-time notification when someone delivers a package to your door. Number 6, the service enables you to index metadata like objects, landmarks, and faces. This makes video search easy. Number 7, Amazon Rekognition Video Operations can analyze videos stored in the Amazon S3 buckets. However, the video must be encoded using the H.264 codec. Last but not the least, number 8. As of this recording, you can analyze thousands of images and videos for free per month using the AWS Free Tier. In summary, Amazon Rekognition allows you to analyze millions of images, streaming, and stored videos within seconds using artificial intelligence. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.